Wondering why the coughing is so continuous? Cough has a prevalence of 9.6% globally and 5 to 10% in India. Source: National Library of Medicine. Symptoms of cough: runny nose, heartburn, sore throat, shortness of breath, fever, headache. Unlock the power of Ayurveda for cough. With potent herbs like tulsi, curcumin,
शुंठी,
yashtimadhu.
आदलसा,
Experience tulsi, curcumin,
शुंठी,
antiviral, mucolytic properties aid in the relief of dry cough. Enhances respiratory immunity to help prevent recurring infections. It gives quick relief and is non-drowsy in nature. Dosage:
दास हेरब,
tablet 1 to 2 tablets twice a day.
दास हेरब, सिरप,
1 to 2 teaspoons twice a day. Relieve the symptoms, embrace the benefits with
दास हेरब, टैबलेट, दास हेरब सिरप. दास हेरब
is the solution for your endless coughing.